Stay cool anywhere. Azoiito Portable Air Conditioner with 2 mist modes and 7-color night light. Efficient cooling power. The Azoiito Portable Air Conditioner offers high-efficiency cooling with its Honeycomb Waterfall system and dual ultrasonic nebulizers. Transform hot air into a refreshing breeze instantly by adding ice cubes to the water tank. Experience powerful, cool airflow that helps you beat the heat and stay comfortable all summer long, making it a must-have for home, office, or outdoor activities. Versatile mist and speed settings. This personal air cooler doubles as a humidifier, featuring 2 mist modes, low mist for a cool breeze and high mist for a colder wind. With 3 adjustable wind speeds, low, mid, strong, powered by a high-torque motor and 5-blade fan, you can customize your cooling experience. Its quiet operation under 50 decibels ensures a peaceful environment for study, work, relaxation, or sleep. Convenient timer and ambient lighting. The Azoiito Mini Air Conditioner includes a timer with 2, 4, and 8-hour settings, allowing you to set it according to your needs. Enhance your space with its 7-color night light, creating a romantic and cozy atmosphere. Perfect for use in bedrooms, dormitories, or camping, this feature adds both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your cooling experience. Portable and easy to use. Designed for portability, this small air conditioner features a soft artificial leather lifting rope and is USB powered, making it ideal for outdoor activities like camping or picnics. Its removable rear grille and impeller wheel ensure easy cleaning for fresh air. Note: ensure your power source meets the 1.5 ampere requirement for optimal performance. Durable, user-friendly, and effective, the Azoiito Portable Air Conditioner is a smart, economical choice for staying cool. Embrace the ultimate in personal cooling with the Azoiito Portable Air Conditioner. Combining efficient cooling technology, versatile mist settings, and a soothing night light, this compact air cooler is designed to enhance your comfort and convenience. Stay cool, refreshed, and hydrated whether you're at home, in the office, or on an outdoor adventure.